guys, it's your girl Christy and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, like my basic everyday look. During the day I'm either with makeup or without. Unfortunately I am without makeup and I look a crazy mess, you guys, so excuse the face and excuse this hair. So yeah, so everyone's like, oh my gosh, I mean I get this on a regular basis, your eyebrows are on fleek. Yes, or just, they just like my makeup, the way I just do it in contour. So this video is just pretty much about just your natural everyday look, makeup look. So anyways, we're gonna get into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. So anytime I start a makeup, my makeup routine, I have to start with my brows, you guys. My brows have to go first because they are the longest. Like, they are the longest, and right now I currently do have my eyebrows waxed into the shape. I had them threaded into the shape that I want them in. So we're gonna start by taking my brush, and you guys, I have this brush. I'm gonna use this part right here. I have this from the European Wax Center. I went to go get a wax, but then they had like this little brow like palette and stuff like that. So I just kept it and stuck with it. Like, it's really good. I'm just going to just to your natural shape. Everyone has their natural shape. So just find your shape. I see a lot of girls who just kind of make up their own shape, and that's fine and dandy if you absolutely don't have any. But if you have brows and you have a shape, definitely use your shape. I don't know how many times I've seen girls just kind of making up their own brows, like, and it's like square up here, like square in the front. Like, where do they do that? Like, why is that even happening? That's not even a shape. Like, I'm just kind of confused by that. So yeah, we're not going to be doing that. We're gonna use our natural brow. I also like to use a brow gel. This is for this is by Elf, you guys. I got this from Target. I think it was probably about maybe $3.99 or less. But one side is for the brows, one's for the eyelashes. So this one is for the eyelashes. It's just to extend the lashes. This one is for the eyebrows. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this on my brows just because this part right here is still a little bit of frizzly. So you guys, anytime before I do my makeup or before I do anything, I always use a black African soap because my face is really oily. Like, I don't like it to be oily. If your face is oily, definitely use something for the dullness, well, not the dullness, but the oiliness of your face. They have soaps and they have creams and different stuff like that. I really wouldn't, if you have oily skin, I really wouldn't use any creams for your face or anything, because it's just gonna make it look like dewy and oily. It just looks not fresh. It just looks blah. So I use the African black soap. You guys can actually purchase this from Target. It's everyone knows about it. It's really good soap. I also use Clearasil for my face. I like to make sure that my face is nice and clean before putting on any of my makeup. I just take one of these little pat things and literally, you guys, I probably used this when I was in high school. And then I went to Proactive and did Proactive for a while, and then switch back. I don't know, you guys. I feel like these work, and these are very inexpensive. This is only $5.99 at Target, but it really works. It's cleared up a lot of my spots on this side. I really don't have that many on that side, but I had some spots from acne just from my skin being so oily, and it has cleared it up so good, you guys. So definitely, and it gets all the dirt off. So you definitely want to make sure you have a clear face when you're doing your makeup. And then I like to use a black powder for my eyebrows. I use them, the News by Maybelline. I don't even know why I still have that on there. That's so ghetto. I like to use the color black here. So we're going to use the color black there. And that's what we're going to do to shade in our eyebrows. Now, if I'm just wanting to do a very, very light brow, not too defined, then I'm just going to just use less of that black color, or you can use a pencil. A lot of people use pencil. I like to use the powder because I can control how I'm putting it on there and how it's, going to look. So I'm actually going to apply that now. And I like to start kind of in this inner part here, you guys. And you're going in the shape of your brow. So now it's time to conceal the brow. And it's going to look crazy for a while, but you guys, once you conceal, oh my gosh, it's going to be on point. So we're going to move our palette aside as well as our brush. I'm actually going to use my MAC. It's my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, and the color is NC45. So I use this. I think it's amazing. It's like my best friend. Seriously, guys, if you have not watched my previous eyebrow tutorial, take a look at it. It is my best friend. I use it all the time, and honestly, you guys, it's pretty much gone. I need to go buy some. Like, it's just crazy. It's out of control at this point. It's out of control. And I'm actually going to use my little brush here. I got this, again, from the e.l.f. collection from Target. These brushes are amazing, you guys. They're so inexpensive. They're very inexpensive. You can find them at Target. If you're just not starting off doing your makeup, don't go spend, like, hundreds of dollars on makeup brushes, or 20 and 30. When you can go, and they're just, when you can go and buy these cute little brushes, you know, for your makeup, and just for really nothing, just little. And you guys, we're going to go inside of the brow. So once you get your concealer and you have your brush, you're just going to go on the inside, you guys. And I like to start inside and just sculpt my eyebrows down. I like to do like a little bit of a point at the end of them to kind of give me a fresh, you know, sharpness at the end. And if you need to go back just to kind of touch up a little bit of spaces within your brow, go for it. Because you definitely want it to be perfect. You know, it's going to be so bomb. I mean, so bomb. Okay, the next thing that I do like to do as well is like to prep my face for my concealer. So I have dark circles under eye. Again, I'm using my MAC concealer, my NC, my NC45 Studio Finish Concealer, you guys, to just conceal any spots. All right, moving it along to the next part. So now we're going to do the cleanup for the brows. I like to clean up my brows. You're not going to walk around looking crazy like this forever. If you thought that, you're crazy. So I take a Q-tip and I take like warm to cold water. On to the next. On to the next. All right, so once you got your eyebrows done, yes, on point. Hey. Okay, so now we're going to blend in the concealer. I like to use a blending sponge, you guys. It's by e.l.f. again. This was about $6 at Target. A lot of my stuff is from Target, you guys. I love Target. And if you can find it inexpensive, like, why not? It's all going to work the same. You don't have to go buy anything so expensive and so fancy, you know, just to get your makeup to look flawless. Like, it's not that serious. Okay, so this brush here, and we're just going to blend in this concealer that's on our face, you guys. I'm actually going to go in with another concealer. It's going to be a little bit darker than the concealer that I put on the first time. And again, we're just going to put, like, little dots.
The color on this one is hazelnut. So I actually want a little bit darker. It's supposed to be a little bit darker than my skin. And once it is, I guess, in a sense. And then we're just going to blend. We're going to blend again. We're going to blend it.
Our beauty blender. I'm actually going to go with my foundation. I've switched over from using my traditional MAC palette to the Fenty Beauty. I love it. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a matte finish makeup. It is amazing. It honestly helps out because I do have oily skin. And so if you have a matte foundation, it'll help lock that in place and your skin is going to be flawless all damn day. I am so serious. Like, this is like the best thing that could ever. She put it on my face and I was like, yes, this is it. Riri, you did your thing. Yes. Hope you see this video because I'm using your product, girl. Okay, so yeah, I use the Fenty Beauty, and then I have, this is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. This color is, you know what, guys? This color is going to be 7K04, or no, it's a 420. 420 is my color. If you guys go to any Sephora, I would go into the store first before you actually purchase her makeup, unless you really know your shade that well, and they have your shade on online, I would go in person, because you know, like right now I'm like 2 shades darker than I really am in the wintertime. And so my face is a little bit lighter than my actual skin, as you guys can see. Like I have tan lines out it's just ridiculous. Like, you know, I've gotten darker from this California sun. So when I got this, I was actually probably 2 shades lighter, but it still works for me. Once I put it in, I blend it in with everything else, it still works for me. But I'm just saying, just make sure you go into the store. Sephora is where I got this from. I think it was like $52, but it's totally worth it, you guys. It is so worth it. You know, for what it do, it's worth it. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to use this matte finish, and I'm actually going to use my brush. This is called a stipple brush, just a small one. They do have like a medium and I believe a large. This is for me to go in and actually, you know, set my makeup through. Just a brush, makeup brush. And again, people use different brushes to apply their makeup. For this one, I just tried this one out, and I'm going to go over my forehead and just kind of cover, you know, anything on this side.
Okay, so once you guys have your mascara added to your eyebrows to give you some, your eyelashes, to give you a nice thick volume, we're going to go
Highlight. I like to use this Tarte palette here. It's in the color Paarrty. And I'm just going to take my brush here. It's a slanted brush. This is a cheek brush. I forgot what they're calling it. But it's a brush for your you know, you guys know what I mean. Face. I'm actually going to go in a lot as well with my Milani. It says that on highlighter, it's a Strobelight. And it's also going to give me a nice little highlight. You guys can find this at Target as well. I believe it was like $6 or $7. And we're just going to do gentle strokes. So once you guys are done placing on your highlight and everything, it should look just like this. You should be able to see a nice little glow. You don't want too much, but just enough to kind of give you, and I also placed a little bit up under my eyebrows just to kind of give me a nice finish. But your makeup and your glow should be on point, you guys. I also added a pop of color. I love pink. Bubblegum pink is my favorite. This color is Yum Yum by MAC. The color, definitely go to MAC. They have it. But even in the sun, it's just